Hi, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel, Photos with Ben.
Welcome.
Today I'm going to show you how to turn a sunny day into a rainy day. First, select on Quick Selection Tools and select Subject. Hold Ctrl and J key to duplicated layer. Go on your rain photo and unlock the background. Then move your picture to the subject picture. Adjust the sizes. Change blending mode from normal to screen. Then hold Ctrl and J key to duplicated layer. Choose one of rain layer and put it between subject layer and background. Then go on Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And change radius to 4.5. Press OK. That's your photo. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.